right, little stick
Stick sting and a burn.
There we go. Right over here, stick sting and a burn.
I think that's what I was most excited about to hear.
Stick sting and a burn, huh? You were excited about that? Okay. We'll take whatever we get. Yeah, you feel a little burning right there. That's good. It's better for you to feel it now than later, right?
Sure.
I'm going to come this other direction. All right, we're going to make a little incision here. Hopefully, you're not going to feel it. We're going to make the incision with the wrinkle lines on the face, okay? So that means that when this heals, it should be very, very able to, or should blend in, I should say, quite well with your face. I'm already seeing the cyst here, so that's interesting.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Right there.
Look right at it.
Well, that's what I thought. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's
Oh, goodness.
yeah. Let's capture that. I'll get it.
Yummy.
So the
See, I
pressure
used to
was
like
just
this
too
stuff
much.
for 'em.
Can you see that?
Wow.
So we're going to have to go ahead and just squeeze that and empty it. But clearly we have an epidermoid cyst on the side of the face here.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a lot in there.
That's huge.
You feeling okay, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You're going to be happy to lose this little friend.
Yeah, you
Oh,
might not
yeah.
want to watch this video. We're going to see if we can grab that right there and just tease it on out. We can do sometimes if we're just gentle and we take our time, we can get these cysts to come on out.
And that was caused by like dirt and oil and
It could have been his diet, it could have been genetics, it could have been a lot of things. Could have been his choice of a spouse. I mean, there could be a lot of... Oh, was that out loud? I meant to just think that last part.
Poor Mrs. Homer.
you can call me Marge.
Oh, my.
Is that why you have the blue hair over there? I'm wondering.
I just don't have it high enough.
So it's coming on out here. I don't even think we have to really cut. I think we just can tease it. It looked to me more like cream cheese.
Yeah,
What do you
cream
think?
cheese.
We're definitely, the whole sac is definitely out. That's just some scar tissue, connective tissue that's coming out with it right there. You feeling any pain, buddy? Okay.
Oh, there was some pain.
Oh, well, guess what? It's out.
It is.
I guess we get a little pain at the right time. There we go. So I think that turned out pretty nice. Once again, bud, thanks for letting us video your procedure for all our friends on YouTube, okay?
All right.
And we'll see you on Monday to get those stitches out.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I'm going to give him...
Here is Karen Chen. Flying into this opening triple Lutz triple total combination.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.